Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Super Tradish YouTube channel. In this video, I'll give you an update about the Sandbox, the sand ticker. I'll give you support resistance levels, targets, patterns, and all sort of technical stuff that you have been looking for. But before I do that, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification and put your favorite altcoin in the comment below, and I'll try to analyze that for you. Alright, let's start this by looking at the 4-hour chart as usual, because we were seeing this pattern in the 4-hour time frame. As you guys remember, we were trading in this falling channel, and that falling channel broke to the upside, and after breaking out from this channel, we were forming this triangle, and triangle broke to the outside, and we hit the target of this triangle, this one, perfectly to here at around this box of support and resistance, if you guys remember. Right after that, we did a price measurement of this falling channel and projected outward. Then we also hit that target, remember guys, at around $7 range. And right after that, I told you that do not initiate any new long position here, because we hit the both target and we are hitting the resistance zone of this $7 range, because this is the nice support resistance area. As you can see, lots of swing points lying around this level. Right after that, price fell more than 18%. So if you guys listen to me, you would have avoided buying at the top. Right now, the price is taking a bounce at one of our box at around $5.6–5.7 range, very nicely. And as you can see, this is a very nice resistance and support box, as you can see. So very high probability of taking a bounce from this level. If I go to the 1-hour chart and analyze here further, then I can see this channel being broken here like this. So as you can see on the 1-hour chart, the falling channel has been broken to the upside and also took out the swing high point. Let me enable the volume to see. Yes, the volume is also increasing right now, but the overall sentiment on the Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies are down, pretty much down. So it would be a risky entry here. I would wait for further confirmation, like taking out this resistance box, and will target the limited amount, like targeting the next box like so. So if I'm planning to enter right here at around 6.20, then my target would be the next resistance level. As you can see, this is the resistance box, and I can see very nice support resistance area lying at around $6.61 range. So guys, be very careful. Bitcoin is crashing, and Bitcoin is driving this market. So if we see a dump in the Bitcoin, then we might see a dump in this Sandbox as well. So be very careful guys. I'll keep an eye on the Bitcoin to trade this Sandbox square. Also, if you want to trade the Sandbox, you can find the BYBIT affiliate link in the description, where you can claim up to $4,500 bonuses if you sign up through my link. So sign up through my link. You can find the link in the description. Deposit money there, start to trade, and claim the $4,500 bonuses. Alright, I hope you guys like this quick video analysis of Sandbox. If you liked it, please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.